Did you know strokes are common in winter? Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Pravalika, consultant neurologist at Omega Hospital. Cold weather causes the blood vessels to narrow, that increases the blood pressure and makes the blood thicker. This increases the risk of blood clots reaching the brain. Also, in winters, people drink less water and move less and often ignore blood pressure checks, all of which can increase the stroke risk. If you notice sudden onset of weakness, speech difficulty, or facial drooping, don't ignore it. Stroke is an emergency and reach a hospital immediately. Stay warm, stay hydrated, and monitor your blood pressures.